Audio Jungle. Ideas on how to scale pickup and delivery utilizing AI. Have any of you used AI to scale your pickup and delivery? Nick, you're shaking your head yes.
Yeah. Again, you can use any AI out there, ChatGPT, we use Gemini. So one of the things that we've done is actually use Google Maps with Gemini and ask in a prompt situation or prompt questioning is find us hair salons that are within a 50-mile radius of our zip code, and it will spit out, a bunch of information on that. And you can go in deeper, like um, tell us what the name, number, email address, and person contact, and it spit out that information. So then we can build a database off of that. How many people?
Nice.
Yeah. So that's what we do.
Yeah, I'd say there's huge opportunity in a lot of these tools. I know the one that I added in the doc that I shared was Manus, manus.im. It's a pretty neat one. It tends to be a bit more action oriented. But again, to Nick's point and others, you can use it for competitive research, for prospecting, as like he mentioned, for commercial laundry, just to see, all right, well, if you want to get into small business commercial laundry, what's the mix there of the different businesses? Is it barbershops? Is it hair salons? Is it Airbnbs? You can get a pretty good feel quickly with some good prompts and more. And the key thing is good prompts. All these systems can start like a simple query like you might do on Google, Bing, or any other search engine. But remember, you can utilize the AI just to improve what you're trying to do. So just ask a simple question. Write up prompts for me to prospect commercial laundry opportunities in 5 miles of my zip code. It can be as simple as that, and it's going to spit out a much larger thing that maybe there's some variables that you can fill in tied to your brand, tied to just, any nuance to the business and more. It'll fill that out for you. So think about it in like feedback loops. You feed it more information, it will definitely feed better stuff back to you.
One more time, can you spell that, Trey?
manus.im.